Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. The speakers that we're going to be using in the rear, which is a Pnw-65. These are a coaxial from Audiocontrol. Really nice speakers, extremely heavy. I'm going to show you guys how much these speakers weigh. Just to give you guys a brief description of what these things weigh, they're about 10 pounds just on the coaxials alone. People may not think that's a lot, but 10 pounds just for two speakers, that's 5 pounds a piece, that's a lot. Especially when you're trying to put these into doors and ship them. Inside here, we have the mid-range coaxial. Boy, this thing is nice. They roughly weigh about 5 pounds a piece. Let me tell you, it's a piece of art when you look at these things. There's the coaxial right there and the tweeter. Got a capacitor right there. Very well built speaker. Man, this thing is heavy. Super heavy. But they are very nice, man. It's got a rubber gasket here, made out of rubber here. Everything on this is just super nice quality. Every single part of this is nice, even down to the terminals are extremely nice. You can tell they invested a lot of R&D and time and money to make these extremely nice quality. And here is the speaker that mounts here, and here on this side right here. So it has 3 spots where it mounts. I believe these are 8s. I could be wrong. They might be 7s as well. So, and this one's weird. This one has a coax in the rear with a tweeter, and I haven't seen that. And then this will unplug right here. You just basically get this clip right here in the middle. If I can get it, yeah. So you just clip that, and then this whole piece will come out. Just like that. And then we're gonna plug our harness right into that. And this bad boy,
7.
Yep, it is a 7mm. So we got 3 7s, and that will take the speaker out right here.
Rust on both of them.
Yeah, so that means there's been water down inside this door. Yeah, you can see it on the back side of here too. Yep. And then there's the massive rear speaker. It is a Sony. So this is rated at 25 watts, 4 ohms. And honestly, putting these 3 ohm speakers in here using the Sony amplifier, it will probably sound pretty good just on the actual Sony amplifier. But we're gonna actually do an aftermarket amplifier, but we'll show you what it sounds like on the Sony amplifier as well. This is the adapter that we've built that we're going to use for this, made out of 1/2 inch HDPE, which is extremely strong. Everybody else uses 1/4 inch, so we're going to use this and we're going to mount our speakers to that. Mainly because each one of these speakers weighs about 5 pounds. I'll weigh this bad boy and show you how much this bad boy weighs. So here's factory speaker, weighs about 1 pound. So you got about 1 pound on a factory speaker compared to our 5 pounds on this. 5 pounds, 1 pound. Let me show you the difference too on the magnet size. That is a very large difference right there. Look at that, holy moly, that is huge. Now we screwed this on here, we put the 7 mils back into where the stock locations were. We're probably gonna put some Dynamat around here. We ran our speaker harness through this grommet right here, and then here's the plug. And then we're gonna plug the factory plug right into there. And then that way, boom, and then we'll zip tie this up to this, and then we can plug our speaker into here. You have your positive and negative already made out. So we're gonna take our speaker, we're going to plug in the positive negative and then screw this into that piece that we made. And here is the audio control mounted in. Got it all screwed in. Got the speaker adapter mounted. We're going to do some Dynamat probably around the edge right here just to seal it all up, but looks wonderful.